In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready to create a voice memo within Messages app and add it instantly, use this icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on microphone button, start recording, and when you finished, click on the same one to listen to it here and restart it if you want to redo it, or click on attach right away and listen to it here. If you wanna add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner, click on Files, and look for your audio one in one of those apps by tapping on Audio at the top, or by selecting those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, click on your file. If you wish to create a video one within Messages, click on this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner and use camera portion at the top. After you will finish recording, your video will be automatically attached to your message. If you wish to add already existing one, use the same icon. This time hold this line and drag it up. Then look for your video, and when you find it, tap on it to add it. Then hit done at the bottom right corner to continue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!